In this tutorial, we are building a journey in which when event is created on Google Calendar, you will get a reminder for the same event on Gmail. So let's start. Select Google Calendar as trigger. Next, choose Event Start as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter an option for ID you want in this tab. Add time as how many minutes are before you want a reminder. To get quick output, let's select 1 minute. Then select time unit as minutes. In steps, we will send a notification about the event on Gmail. For that, select Gmail. Choose Send Email as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the recipient email address on the subject line to be displayed. Add message using Google Calendar app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, let's go to Google Calendar. Create a new event. Enter the event title and other specifications. Enter the description of the event and save. Now let's get back to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now let's go to Gmail. We can see a new email in our inbox with the event reminder. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to get event reminders on Gmail when a new event is created on Google Calendar. So I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.